Now, in this video, we will going to discuss about one more problem on the projections of points. A point capital M is on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Another point capital N is 20 mm below HP and 20 mm in front of VP. The distance between the projectors measured parallel to XY line is 50 mm. Find the distance between front views of point M and N. Capital M and N. This is very similar to the previous video what we have discussed, but there we were discussing about the distance between the top views. Now we are going to find out the distance between the front views. So first, the point M is on HP, so obviously it will going to come on the XY line. Since the point is obviously the image will be on VP, so this point will going to become the front view. And 30 mm in front of VP will always come below XY line. So from here you draw a vertical projector of any distance and you measure the distance from this point M dash by a distance of 30 mm, and you mark this point. You are going to mark this point as M, because it is in front of VP is always seen in HP. Since the image is on HP, so obviously that will going to be the top view. So since it is the top view, it will be M. The distance between the projectors measured parallel to XY line is 50 mm. From this vertical projector, you take a distance of 50 mm and you measure a distance of 50 mm and draw one more vertical projector. Then he says another point capital N is 20 mm below HP. Below HP will always comes below XY line. From XY line you measure 20 mm below XY line, you mark this point. Since it is below HP, always the image will going to be on VP. So since the image is on VP, so it is the front view, you mark this as N dash. And 20 mm in front of VP will also comes below XY line. Since this is also 20 mm, both will going to overlap and coincide. Since it is the HP is the one which has been rotated, so obviously this will be in bracket of N. So find the distance between the projectors when measured between the projectors of point M and N. So from here to here you join between M dash and N dash, and then you measure the distance between M dash and N dash. So that distance will be going to be 53.85. When you are doing it in computer, when you are doing it in manual, it will be 54 mm. So this is how you will be able to solve the problem in manual. So now we will go for the how to solve the problem in AutoCAD. So to do that, first we will go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. Specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210, then zoom on, then go to line command, take some arbitrary point and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse again. Then take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse and press enter key. Now we go for offset, take the distance as 297, enter, select object to offset, select this vertical line and offset by a distance of 297 and enter. Again go to offset, take the distance as 210, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side by a distance of 210. And go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet this vertical line with reference to this horizontal line, and again this horizontal and this vertical. Similarly, this vertical and this horizontal. Then go to zoom window. Then go to the text. Specify start point of text, select some point and take the height as 4 and rotation angle as 0 and put the caps lock off and take the problem number 33. A point capital M is on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So a point capital M is on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So another point capital N is 20 mm. Another point capital N is 20 mm below HP and 20 mm in front of VP. The distance between their projectors, the distance between their projectors when measured, the distance between their projectors measured parallel to XY line, measured parallel to XY line is 50 mm. Then find the distance between the point, find the distance between front views, find the distance between the front views, of point M and N, capital point M and N. Now we will going to solve this problem. Here first we have to draw the XY line, and then you draw a vertical line and you take this distance and then proceed with the same type. So to do that, so first we'll go for zoom previous, then go to zoom window. Now we'll go for a layer command. First we're going to create the layers. Go to layer, click on XY, new layer, type XY, then go to front view. So again go to click on new, type the layer by name top view. So go to layer, line weight, you make it as 0.05 and say OK. Layer XY line will going to be of 0.13, and then going to front view will going to be have a magenta color, and in the top view you will going to have the red color, and say OK, and then say close. Now first we'll go for a line command. First we're going to draw a XY line of any distance. Then we need to draw this vertical line, and again you just go to line command, go to line, select some arbitrary point and then draw a, or you take nearest point because it is only on the one side, so you draw this. Then go to offset, take the distance as 30 mm. So you take this offset by 30, then go to trim, select this line, offset object to trim is this, and then go to erase this line, then go to offset, take the distance as 50. So from here you take the distance as 50, then we have 20 mm below HP, and go to offset, take the distance as 20 now. So from here you measure the distance of 20, then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this, and then go to erase this line. Now we're going to break this line till here, so you call, so break this till here, then go to donut, so 0, and you take 3, and you take intersection point of this and take int of this, go to donut, you take specify center point of this, you take end point of this, and you take end point of this. So here this is how we're going to solve this problem. Then go to zoom window, then go to dtext. So here you type the text height as 3 and rotation angle as 0, put the caps lock on and type XY, and then here M dash and M. So we mark this as M dash and this as M and this as N dash, and then small n in bracket. So here go to move, select this and move it appropriately, X, and this as Y. So you take M dash and you take M, and here you take N dash, and here it is small n. So now we need to change the line thicknesses. Go to this CH, so go to layer, make this layer as XY, then go to this, take these two, and you take this, go to CH, make that layer as front view, and then you select this and also you select this, go to CH, make that layer as top view now. So once you do that, so you have the drawing. Now we go for DDIM, so then go to modify, Then you take this offset from the origin as 2. Then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3. Go to text, take the text height as 3. This will going to become above. Then align with the dimension line, you take this as 2 and go to the primary units, make it as 0 and say OK and say close. Then find the distance between the points M and N. So take line, center of this and take center of this now. So then go to dimension, take center of this and you take center of this. So you're going to get 30. Similarly, center of this and take int of this and you're going to get this 20. Then center of this and take intersection point of this and you're going to get 50 and come out of this. Then go to move this text outside so that you're going to have the clarity. Then go to dim again, then take center of this. So here to take center of this, so you just go to text, give space, enter. So you're going to keep it here. So what will going to be the distance we need to find out. So to do that, so go to distance, take center of this and take center of this. So here you're going to get that 53.85. So what we have given here also 53.85. So hence your problem is right now. So go to dtext, so select some point, then go to caps lock, L equals question mark, then go to rotate, select this, take the base point, then you rotate and make this alignment with this inclined line. So go to this and you keep it wherever you want. Now we will go to write the answer. So you go to dtext, so type answers or answer and here go to dtext and here capital L equals 53.85 mm, enter. Then go to line, select this and put the caps auto on and take this and go to fillet between these two. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software and place the answer wherever you want. So this is how you will be able to get the answer for these projections of points using AutoCAD software. Thank you.